wake with the dawn, shake off the gray. If I had wings, I'd fly away. No deadlines, no downtown calls, just sunlight spilling down the walls. Feathers instead of skin that breaks, a sky that never asks what it takes. I'd trade my heart, my heavy brain, for a melody that forgets my name. Maybe I'd learn to love the rain if I never had to feel the pain. Oh, to be a songbird, singing just to sing. No memory, no meaning, no consequence or sting. Oh, to be a songbird, floating over fear, just sound and wind and nothing, no one to disappear. I'd build my home in crooked trees, hum harmonies with honeybees. No talk of wars or rent or lies, just open air and endless skies. They say the world's on fire below, but I'd be too high to ever know. Just one small voice, a fragile note, on borrowed air, on borrowed hope. Oh, to be a songbird, singing just to sing. No memory, no meaning, no consequence or sting. Oh, to be a songbird, floating over fear, just sound and wind and nothing, no one to disappear. But every bird must come to rest, even freedom builds a nest, and every song runs out of breath, even joy remembers death. The sky falls quiet, the trees go still, and I hear the world whisper, you'd hate it here too. Feathers burn, the song